what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Another day, another video. So this week's video is an unboxing video where I'm going to be unboxing the gift that my sister got for my birthday. So without wasting time, we'll get started. But before that, I just want a suggestion from you guys. Should I get my hair cut again? Because I desperately feel like chopping it off again, but some of you say that I should grow it out. I'm just super confused. Let me know if I should grow it out or just chop it off again. And now, without wasting any time, let's get started. So I had no plans of making this video, but just today I got this huge parcel from Sugar and I had not ordered it, so I checked with my sister and yeah, this is for me and this is my birthday gift. So I'm pretty excited and yeah, I've not even opened it till now. Let's just quickly get into it, open this box and check out what all my sister got me. Let's go! I just love, tearing the whole gift apart. I just don't like कि मैं इतने प्यार से उसका पैकेट खोलो. So this has been always me. Don't mind. I'm just going to... Yeah. So here we are. I have not seen it yet. Let's see it together. Ooh, I can see a lot of things. Okay. We'll just quickly get into it and एक एक करके देखते हैं कि क्या क्या है. I'm going to start with the biggest packet that I can find. Some ASMR. Okay, what is it? It's a pouch. Oh my god. Okay, so we have a lip gloss. We have a corrector stick. I wanted a corrector stick kitne time se. Oh my god, finally I have it. Then we have a concealer. Concealer bhi khatam hone wala tha. And then we have an eyeliner. It's not a black eyeliner, guys. It's a lilac eyeliner. Oh my god. Okay, itna sab is pouch mein hai. I'm going to quickly open everything, but usse pehle we are going to check out isme aur kya kya hai. Okay, so the next thing is, okay, this is the new range from Sugar. Sugar ka I think 6 years complete ho gaya hai and they have launched a new range, Aquaholic Overnight Water Mask. Now, isse pehle I was using Laneige ka water mask. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right or no, but theek hai. But wo khatam ho gaya hai and I got this one. I'm going to try out this one as well. Iska packaging is what I love. Full range is in blue colors ka packaging and I love it. Okay, so the next thing is again from the Aquaholic range. Let me just... This one is a hydrating stick. I have never used a hydrating stick. इसको तो खोल के देखना पड़ता है. कुछ गिर गया. Okay, this is what a hydrating stick looks like. अभी मैंने मेकअप किया है, but pretty excited to use this one also क्योंकि कभी मैंने hydrating stick किसी भी चीज़ का यूज़ नहीं किया है. And I was actually looking forward, तभी मुझे पता है इस range के बारे में. I was looking forward to get this range. कुछ तो मैं try करने वाली थी, but thankfully मुझे gift भी मिल गया. I'm so happy. Okay, so the last thing that I got is, what is this? Cleansing water. Oh, okay. मेरे पास अभी तक micellar water था. I think Maybelline का. This one is from Sugar and ये थोड़ा सा लीक कर रहा है. That's all the things that I got. अब एक एक करके सबका first impressions देखते हैं कि कैसा लगता है मुझे. So पहले हम start करेंगे इसी pouch में जितने सारे products आए थे. I think lip gloss से, because आज मैं lip gloss लगाया भी नहीं है. I am super excited. चलो, let's try it. Okay, so this one is Time to Shine lip gloss 02 Velma Pinkly. Ooh, it's going to be super pink, then I'm not going to like it. Let's see. So finally managed to get it out of the packaging. It doesn't look that much pink also. थोड़ा सा इसमें इतना. Let me just quickly try it. I'm going to try it looking at the camera only. I really like the color. Oh my god. I actually really like the color. It's not too pink. It's a subtle mauve kind of a color, but a little bit a hint of pink. Let me just show you on my hands as well. This is how it looks. Frankly speaking, I am so glad कि मुझे एक भी लिपस्टिक नहीं दी उसने. That means she knows me क्योंकि मेरे पास पूरा बॉक्स भर के लिपस्टिक रखा हुआ है. I really wanted a lip gloss actually. मेरा लिप ग्लॉस जो था वो भी खत्म होने वाला था, तो सब सोच समझ के मुझे दिया गया है. I'm very happy. Coming to the corrector stick, ये है Peach President and R01 इसका कोड है. Let me just open it up quickly. Okay, this is the color. I think this will be an accurate color for my skin tone. ज़्यादा orange is not for me. Green मुझे acne वैक्ने के लिए नहीं चाहिए था, मुझे basically चाहिए था ये under eyes के लिए. So let me just show you the color. अगर इस पे ब्लश होता है, this is the color. I think it will be a nice fit for my skin tone. So next is concealer. अभी तक I think मैंने Maybelline के अलावा अपनी जिंदगी में कोई और concealer use नहीं किया है. This is my first sugar का concealer. Let's see. Hopefully it's my skin tone. This is not a concealer, guys. I am an idiot. This is the eyeliner. Oh my god. Okay, अब खोल ही दिया है, तो let me just show you the eyeliner. Okay, so this is the lilac eyeliner. ये अभी मैं eyes पे नहीं लगा सकती क्योंकि कैमरे पे eyeliner लगाना है super difficult. I'm just going to show you over here only. This is how it looks. I really like the wand क्योंकि मुझे टिप एकदम पतली चाहिए होती है, otherwise I'm not able to use it. So I really like this one. I love कि उसने lilac चुना because I am digging lilac right now. मैंने काफी सारी चीजें भी खरीद ली है उसमें. So I think the most excited to try this one out क्योंकि मैंने colorful liners I think मेरे पास सिर्फ एक ही है, blue, and this is a very pretty color. Finally coming to the concealer. Oh my god, I'm such an idiot. This concealer is 07 Vanilla Latte. Let me just open it. I hope कि ये मेरा shade हो क्योंकि शुगर से मैंने कभी try नहीं किया. It can be a little bit lighter for my skin tone. Let me just try it on. So this is the concealer. I think थोड़ा सा मुझे अगर एक शेड डार्क होता तो मे बी चलता. I'll give you a review. I'll give you a review Instagram पे about this. I think मुझे थोड़ा सा लाइट चलता इससे, सॉरी डार्क चलता इससे क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा लाइट है. The stick which I also showed you guys, I am not sure कि ये कैसे यूज़ करना है. I think we cannot use it over the makeup. I am pretty sure about that. But let me just try it out on my hands only. देखते हैं. Is it really hydrating? Let me show you कि इसमें quantity कितनी है पहले. That's a pretty decent quantity. Oh my god. Okay, that was a pretty decent quantity and इसका price is $8.99. So I think that's a pretty good amount for 8.99 rupees. Let me show you कि cooling effect देता है कि नहीं. Let me just try it. It doesn't have any smell, guys. It doesn't have any smell. Oh my god, I'm so happy कि इसमें कुछ भी perfume नहीं है. And it does give me a slightly cooling effect. Not that tingly cooling, very good actually. I am really looking forward to use this क्योंकि first impression इसका काफी अच्छा रहा. It is still giving me a cooling effect and no smell. That's a first for any skincare product that I've used, that it has no smell at all. Okay, so coming to the last product. This is the second last product, but इसके अलावा there is a cleansing water. उसका मैं क्या ही impression दूँ? Actually, I can. ये remove करके. Yes, I'm a genius. I'm not that stupid. Okay, so the next is the water mask. Oh my god, I love the packaging and इसमें foam है. That's really nice. इसकी देखते हैं quantity कितनी है. Okay, the quantity is decent. क्यों ऐसे boxes का मुझे एक issue रहता है, अंदर से it's very small. So I think Lanyard's वाला भी अंदर से was very small and it was extremely expensive. इसका price is 1099 rupees and overnight water mask है. Overnight water masks मुझे बहुत ही अच्छे लगते हैं because सुबह उठ के काफ़ी ज़्यादा hydrating हो जाता है. I love the one from Lanyard's but वो खत्म हो गया है, तो I am definitely going to try it. Coming to the last thing is the cleansing water. मेरे पास Maybelline का already है, so we are going to try both of them. ऊपर concealer and lip gloss में I'm going to use the sugar one, and corrector and liner में I'm going to use this one. And let's see एक swipe में कौन सा वाला works effectively. So let's go. I'm going to try the sugar वाला पहले. Okay, let's see. We have the concealer and lip gloss. Let me just quickly, how do I show you? Okay. Pretty impressive. That was impressive. I liked it. The fact that lip gloss mid gaya itni jaldi is nice. I mean, thoda sa I can see thoda sa tint bacha hai, but pretty good. Alright, this is the Maybelline one. I love both these brands, so दोनों ही काम कर रहे तो better है. Okay, let's do it. Oh my god! It didn't remove either of the things. एक बार फिर से try करते हैं. Let's give it another try. I can still see थोड़ा बहुत liner is left, but yeah, let me just quickly remove पूरा. बहुत हो गया. Okay, so first impressions में sugar वाले ने काफी अच्छे से दोनों चीजें पहली बार में निकाल दी थी, but Maybelline was a little bit disappointing. But ठीक है, I love both the brands and I'm going to anyways use both of them. So yeah, that was the last thing that I got, guys, and I am really happy. I'm just quickly going to call her over here, okay? Guys, she is here. I'm so thankful and so happy कि मुझे इतना अच्छा gift मिला. It was all the things that I ever wanted. मुझे फालतू की लिपस्टिक नहीं चाहिए थी तो नहीं मिली. मुझे लिप ग्लॉस चाहिए था, मुझे पैलेट नहीं चाहिए थी, मुझे करेक्टर चाहिए था, and she knew it. I am so happy. Thank you so much. And would you like to conclude my video today? Please, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Yeah, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching this, guys. See you next time. Bye.